What's up, OMG Nation? So look, I want to do a review on this company that I purchased my LED bulbs from, my bullet turn signals from, the lights. They're called Paradise LLC. It is a family run, I believe a husband and wife run business out of Tampa, Florida. I'm thoroughly impressed with these lights. Whoops, stall. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. So anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm headed over to the Hog chapter meeting for over here in Cool Springs in Franklin. After the meeting, I will show you what the lights look like from while they're turned on with the bike sitting still, and then I'll go down this very dark road. It's actually right over there behind all that construction, and I'll show you how well the lights light up. I mean, you can see them right now. I don't know if you can see them right now blinking, but I feel like they took my old halogen bulbs. It was like night and day. I mean, believe me, the amount of stuff that I can see now, and I feel like the safety that it gave me going down the road, that people at night can actually see me. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm giving these things a 20 right out of the gate. So I purchased the bulb for the headlight, I believe it was around August the 23rd of 2018, and then a little later on September the 3rd I bought the I just realized my hazards were wrong. I bought these bullet turn signals for the front and the rear, and so these are white and they stay on white all the time, and then every time I hit the blinker they flash amber. Same with the rear bullet lights, tail lights. They're red. I have a clear lens. I have a clear lens up front as well. It's hot out here. So back to the Elliston Soda Shop for the Hog chapter meeting. I'm gonna show you what they look like when I park in the daylight. I'll turn on the flashers and I'll turn on the signals, and then I'll show you again what they look like when it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna put the link to this company. Now look, I want to tell you up front, they're not paying me, they're not giving me anything. This is not an affiliate link. I just like these lights. They're priced at a great price. They're not gonna break the bank, and they're powerful. And you'll see as it gets darker how bright and how much stuff you can see to the left and to the right. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick look at what these look like. So that's just the low beams right there. And then if I turn on the high beam, and I'll show you guys, see how they go from white to amber. I'll set up my tripod and I'll show you guys, you know, what they're doing tonight. So we just finished up with the chapter meeting. I'm gonna head over to the darkest place that I know of in this area, so you guys can really get a look at how these lights light up the road for me. So I'm gonna cut all this out and get you guys there now. Right now I am riding with my low beams on. That's my high beams. You can see how much more of the road it lights up. That's the low beams. right back to the high beams. So here's the deal too. My turn signals are white. Look at my low beams, how much my turn signals are lighting up. Look at that, I cover my turn signal. And look how much of the light or the road disappears. That's the high beam. So like I said, I'm a big fan of the LED plug-and-play lights. I can see the entire road now. I can see off into the side of the ditches, into the tree line a little bit, which that's important for me, because if you're a rider, you know that every now and then if you see that little circled dot glowing back at you, that might be an animal, a deer or something that has decided to cross the road right in front of you. But look at all that. That's high beams right there, lit up. Even the low beams, it just lights it up that even more. That's low beams, that's high beams. This guy probably thinks that I'm flashing him because there's a cop up there. And I'll try to pull over up here so you can just see what they look like. All right, so I'm gonna park right here. And I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna turn the flashers on so you can see. And then that right there is the high beam. This is still on high, but look. So they have a rapid flash on them. And that was one of the things the guy said, you might need some type of relay. I like that rapid flash because I feel like it's something different. They do sell the relay. So again, like I said, I do not have any ties to this company, Paradise Lights LLC. I know they're out of Tampa, Florida, just because I've read that on the website. Hey guys, it's Ryan. I'm out here at Riverview Marina in Ashland City, Tennessee. So the other day I was filming my LED light review, and when I got home I realized that my GoPro Hero 7 froze up on me again. I called GoPro. They did a reformat. They gave me a new update. We wiped the GoPro, we wiped the SD card, and supposedly that's gonna take care of everything this time. We'll see. So basically on the end of my LED review of the Paradise City LLC lights, I feel like that they increase your safety in the daytime, because especially with the blinkers, the bullet lights, you know, that's something different that people don't see. And in my opinion, when you have something a little bit different and it's different than the rest, and people will probably see you, there's that chance that people will see you where they may not have, with some halogen bulbs in there. So I recommend those guys. Again, zero affiliation with them. I just think they're a good company, great customer service, a mom and pop operation, so to speak. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this review, and remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode.